Hello my dear customers, this is Anna from Land Pack. We specialize in packing machine and filling machine line over 16 years. We support it for OEM and ODM orders. Today let me introduce one of our customized pork skin bottle filling, capping, labeling machine line. Just show you. So let's see one by one. This pork skin bottle filling and capping labeling machine line, let's see one by one. So you can say as this is the biggest bottle, we just widen our conveyor belt. And this is a bottle feeding device. And after that, we will go with a 14 head 3 liters auger scroll wheeler skier. This Mexican wheeling for 2 kg and the speed around for 30 to 50 bottles per minute. And after that, there will be a rotary filling. This rotary filling, based on 1 kg, the speed is around for 20 to 30 bottles per minute. And what the other device we added, it is just the filling because the pork skin is too long. So we just add this punch device, just let the pork skin just fill in the bottom of the bottle. And after that, this is a 6-head liquid filling machine because any customer needs to filling for the vinegar inside to keep it a long time to storage. So let's see inside. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 head. It is anti-drip filling nose. And whole frame, it is plastic. Because any customers want anti-corrosive filling. Okay. After that, this is a cap feeder. So feeding your different caps, 1 cap size, 1 truck here. And this is the part for the press and servo capping machine. First, when bottles gear and caps gear, it will be press cap. And after that, there will be a press and scroll capping. So you can see it's very tightly. And this is the last part of our round bottle labeling machine. So this is a finished bottle. You can see the samples. Let's see whole set machine line, how it works. My dear customers, if you have any new inquiries and new orders, please contact us at the below website. We're always there waiting for you. Bye-bye.